Morning, children. How are you? So let's move on to a new topic. That is, let's enjoy a poem by Robert Frost. The name of the poem is Dust of Snow. So listen. Before we move on to the poem, let's see about the author Robert Frost. Robert Frost. Robert Frost was born on March 26, 1874 in San Francisco. After the death of his father, he moved with his mother and sister to Lawrence in Massachusetts. He became interested in reading and writing poetry during his high school years. Frost drifted a string of occupations after leaving school, working as a teacher, cobbler, and editor. His first published poem, My Butterfly, appeared on November 8, 1894 in the New York newspaper, The Independent. In 1895, Frost got married to Miriam, who was a major inspiration for his poetry until her death in 1938. The couple moved to England in 1912 after they had tried and failed in farming. Frost was influenced by the British poets. Ezra Pound, a British poet, helped Frost to promote and publish his work. Robert Frost lived and taught for many years in Massachusetts and Vermont. He died in Boston on January 29, 1963. In our life, we experience some moments that make some changes in our life. I think you also experience the same. And this poem, Dust of Snow by Robert Frost, deals with such such a moment that made some significance in the poet's mood, some changes in the poet's mood. That particular day, he was very sad. He was repenting himself. He was very sad. He was in such a mood, and he sat under a hemlock tree. And that time, a crow was also sitting on the branch, one of the branches of the tree, and it shakes some dust of snow upon the poet. And that particular thing made him change his mood. And he forgot the sorrow, and he decided to do some useful thing in the afternoon. He wanted to spend the time for doing some useful activities. So this short poem gives lot of meaning that even a small thing make lot of changes in one's life. That's the central idea of the poem. Now let's see the detailed description of the poem. Detailed description of each stanza. Here two stanzas are there. So we let's see the detailed description. Here it is. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. Now let's see the meaning of this. Dust of Snow, that is a beautiful short poem written by Robert Frost. And this poem tells that even a simple moment even a small moment has a large impact and significance in one's life. Here, the poet has mentioned the crow and the hemlock tree in this poem. Hemlock tree means it is a poisonous plant or tree with small white flowers. This one is a poisonous plant. Here, crow signifies his depressive and sorrowful mood. Who's the poet's depressive and sorrowful mood? And hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. Both of these signify that the poet was not in a good mood or happy mood, and so he describes the dark, depressive, and bitter side of nature to present his similar mood. He thought that the nature also having the such depressive mood or dark mood, bitter have bitter feeling. When we are happy, that time we can see lot of colors around, right? We can enjoy the beauty of everything. But when we are in a depressive or sad mood, can you enjoy the beauty of the nature or the beauty of the surroundings? Never. Same way, the poet also feels. In such a sad, depressive mood, the poet was sitting under a hemlock tree. That time, a crow was sitting on the same tree, shook off the dust of snow, that is, the small particles of snow that remain on the surface after the snowfall on the poet. That crow shakes off or shook off the dust of snow on the poet. From that we can understand that was the everywhere it was covered with snow and it was in winter time. This simple action changed the poet's mood. What simple action? The simple action of the crow shaking off the dust of snow upon whom? The poet. That was the simple action. The poet realized that he had just wasted a part of his day repenting and being lost in sorrow. He wasted the whole daytime, half of the daytime by repenting himself, by thinking that the action he was done was not good, and he was repenting over that, and he was in sorrow. So he thought that he wasted a part of the day. But the change in his mood made him realize that he should utilize the rest of the day in some useful activity. So he decided that he can use the remaining part of the day with some useful activity. And his sorrow was washed away by the light shower of snow dust. And that snow dust was coming, shook off by the crow, and the same light shower of the snow dust changed his mind. And his spirit was revived, and he got ready to utilize the rest of the day in some useful activity. And this is about the poem. Meanings. Hemlock, a poisonous plant or tree with small white flowers. Read means held in regret. Write these two meanings in your notebook and study. Now look at this poem. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued. In the second stanza, there you can see has given my heart. Here in has you can see the her sound. It's on her. Next one heart. There also you can hear the her sound. So in that particular line, her sound is repeated. So see the next one, that in the second stanza, third line. And saved some part. Here saved s and some z. There also both s sound is repeated. So in any particular line, if you find the repetition of the same sound, then we can call it as alliteration. So the poetic device used here is alliteration. What is that? The poetic device used in this poem, Dust of Snow, is alliteration. Alliteration means repetition of same sound in a line. Your today's activity is you should do the assessment 8 that is given in the description box. First you listen to the poem, then understand it, then only you should do that assessment.